What's the difference between Night Sky Murals and others that paint? I've painted the murals for over 20 years, and I paint a lot. I fly around the world painting these murals. There's a reason for that. I think I put a lot into the murals, and I've honed the techniques over the years to where the murals that I paint are very nice, very accurate looking. When you're sitting there looking at the mural, it looks like a night sky. And everyone else, we pretty much use the same paint. They have their techniques, I have my techniques. I'm only going to talk about my murals. I really tried to get these accurate to where when you're looking at it, it looks like a night sky for you. So you're going to have to talk to them about theirs.